I got it from Amazon. And it comes in this rather plain cardboard packaging. Right. Nothing else in there. And here you are, the box it came in. Securely packed, that was for sure. With a little warranty pamphlet. How to season your hybrid pizza steel. That's it for the instructions. It has a little packing bag. With the HexClad logo on it. And here is the pizza steel. 2 handles. The dimensions from handle to handle is a little less than 20 inches, and from edge to edge 15.5, and I guess the cooking surface is indeed a little over 14 inches. Not too heavy. I think I can handle this one. 4.5 pounds.